Hi my friends, today I found this interesting car. It's an American car, Ford Ranchero from 72. I didn't know this car, but I like it the way it's painted with these squares, colored squares. Of course it's from Art Cars collection from Hotwheels 1.64 scale for those who doesn't know. So what I can see is a low rider with two seats. It seems to be like a Colombian car. In front we have taillights and this grill, radiator grill, very big. We don't have wipers, we don't have mirrors. Yeah, this trunk is very big. The wheels on the back are bigger than this on the front. And it's very nice painted. I don't know why they didn't paint the trunk door, but this is it. And I don't know what it means, this V on the doors and on the roof. We have here on the bonnet a small scoof, as you can see, for air intake. But overall it's a very nice car, which fits very well in front of my garage, as you can see. So don't forget, like, share and subscribe. And until next time, I wish you all the best. Bye.